Hi, I'm Cormac from the Start.ca Service Desk, and today we're going to demonstrate how to get your Start TV set-top box connected to your TV or your home theater system. This demo is going to assume that you've already unboxed everything and you're basically ready to go. But just in case you're not at this stage yet, I suggest that you check out our Start TV unboxing video first. So, let's get you connected. In a nutshell, Start TV uses your Start.ca internet connection to deliver a first-class TV experience. And your set-top box is the magical tool that makes all of this possible. So let's check out the set-top box first. First step, connect to the power cord, but don't press the power button on the set-top box just yet. Next, we want to focus on the HDMI. There's a couple of things that you should consider at this point. Are you connecting directly to the TV, or are you going through your home theater system first? In both cases, the experience is going to be similar to a point. The general idea being that the HDMI cable needs to be connected to the back of your Start TV set-top box first, and then into something else like your TV or your home theater system. The connection to your TV is pretty straightforward. On the back of yours, you should see some HDMI inputs. On ours, there's a selection of connections on the side and on the bottom, but we're going to choose the one on the bottom, named HDMI 1. Now, if you're already using a home theater system at home, you will have an HDMI connection running from the system to your TV. So all you have to do is first connect the HDMI cable to the back of the home theater system in an appropriate input. Now, in this case, we have a selection, and we're going to use the one that says Streambox. Now, if you're setting up your home theater system for the first time, like I am, you're going to want to make a connection from the home theater system to the TV. So make sure to select HDMI out on the back of the system and then choose the same input on the back of the TV. Now, if you run into any issues getting your Start TV set-top box connected, please give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Now that we've got everything connected, let's see what this should all look like. So, first things first, we want to make sure that your TV set-top box is powered on and that the correct input is selected on the front of your home theater system. In this case, Streambox, and you want to do the exact same thing for your television. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, you should start to see a screen that looks like this one. If you want to know what to do next, make sure to check out our first time setup experience video. This video will walk you through the steps in getting your Start TV set-top box configured. And that's it. If you run into any trouble, please give us a call at 1-888-668-0001 or visit Start.ca to send us an email. One of our friendly service desk agents will be happy to help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can also get help on social media. Make sure to visit our website for those links. Thanks for watching.